Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Upgrade Your Grade. My name is Shabnam Zaman and I am lecturer of economics. And today I have chose a topic related to how to attempt a theory or law in paper or exams. समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है स्टूडेंट कि आपको क्वेश्चन आता है, क्वेश्चन का आंसर आता है, लेकिन आप उसको अटेम्प्ट ठीक तरीके से नहीं करते, जिसकी वजह से आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलते. So today I am going to tell you how can you write the answer in a proper way to get maximum marks in papers. Students, you have to follow certain steps to write a theory, and the step 1 is introduction of the theory. In introduction, you have to write about the economist who has presented this theory and what is this theory about. And the second step which you have to follow is definition of theory. Students, you all know that there is certain definition regarding any law or theory. So you have to write it at the second step after the introduction. After definition, we have to assume some things or some conditions. As you all know that economic laws are based on the assumptions or the conditions. So we have to write about these assumptions at step number 3. After assumptions, we have to draw the table and the diagram regarding this theory, and we have to explain it as well. If there is any mathematical explanation, then you have to explain it after the table and the diagram. And after mathematical explanation, we have to follow next step, that is limitation of theory. Limitations are those things on which this theory cannot be applied. At the end, we have to write about the importance of theory. It means that why this theory is important for us and how it can help us. This is the proper way to write a theory or law and to get maximum marks in exams or paper. I hope you all understand it, and if you have any questions regarding this, you can ask me as well. Thank you for watching. In next videos, I will discuss about the different theories related to economics. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and remember me in your prayers.